Hi, good evening, teachers. The teachers who were missed today would like to confront the matter whatever we have discussed. This is one of the amazing meeting which ever happened, and really we have learned many things. We learned from each other. Really, I learned from you so many things. That's really amazing. I love you all. And the technology what's supposed to be learned for next 5 years, that we have learned within 3 months. This is quite what is amazing thing. So fantabulous activities what we are doing right now for the sake of children betterment. So today, five things we have come across. What is tabular format we have given to the teachers class wise, the total number of the students, the number of students who have paid, minus the balance students whoever have not paid, monthly how to collect month wise. For each and every class we have given, and target also given. That is the target. Don't go for 50%, go for 100%, then you can achieve for 80%. When you achieve, then only we can have happy life, right? Take the risk. A success is all about taking risk, right? Risk, without risk the success and sustainability will never happen in the universe. So we have to toil for, and we are doing that every minute and every day. We keep observing what is daily. I get up with a great exuberance. How today, what new video I am going to see, what new innovative worksheet I am going to see. This is what the great thing what we are doing. We are toiling, and every right we have to collect the fee from the parent, that too only monthly, and that too only 20%. 2500 is the fees, but we are charging 800 to 2100. That you have to convey the message, dear parents. Because of this crucial pandemic situation, we are collecting only 20%. So you have to abide, and you need to pay. Nothing comes in the universe free, please understand. And second challenge the teachers have come across, the students who are not active in the group. What should be done for them? Also we make them active, and they need to be, aaj nahi hai to kal unho active hona hi padega. The student should abide and apply the technology, otherwise there is no sustainability in the life. So that matter we send the parent brain surely, and that definitely imbibes every parent mind, and they apply and implement it slowly but surely, but we make it faster, right? And we a hot seat, it has given amazing solutions how to interact with the parent. Very typical tough whatever, now teachers are very comfortable to face any kind of parent like this. I could see that confidence among the teachers face, the fragrance of your perseverance and your tenacity. It was reflecting like anything. It is reflecting, it will reflect, it will continue consistently. It will keep happening for the entire academic year in the future also, right? So we are charging once again I am telling 20% only, month wise we are collecting. If any parent is having the due, ask them to pay along with the मंथली फी थोड़ा थोड़ा पे करें. वी आर नॉट आस्किंग टू पे एट ए टाइम. अदरवाइज वो लास्ट ईयर का नहीं पे कर सकते, एटलीस्ट दिस ये महीने महीने तो भी पे करिए. मंथली यू पेड, एंड लेट द चाइल्ड कंटिन्यू. इफ द चाइल्ड वोंट लर्न, ही विल बी आउटडेटेड. विद्या निगूढ़ गुप्तम, ये विद्या ऐसा चीज़ है, nobody can steal and steal from us such countless of what is precious gift we are giving to the child. You have to bold enough to ask the parent to convey and communicate well. I know that you will do definitely. And third thing we have told, what is parents should be, what is play the role of gatekeeper. They should be the gatekeeper of their own children. What is the gatekeeper? We have nicely understand. Again, if I explain longer, then again what is memory shortage, and also that memory consumes more. So gatekeeper, when the parent gives the mobile, the parent should have the sense of what is so and so time, so and so class, for that period of that tenure only they should give. And again they have to collect and talk to the child what they have learned in the online session. This is very very important. So next fifth very important point, we have developed what is strong school leader team, SL team. We thought of developing from each class 5 students who have to take the role of the teacher, and they have to valuation and everything they have to follow up must be done. So the teachers today, they have chosen few children who can do amazing work and make the things get it done faster. Distribution of labor, decrease the burden, we have to do that. Okay. And online classes systematically, weekly 5 compulsory, 6 to 10th mandatory. And the primary teachers, do you want to send the video and make the children learn? And SR, the activity should be what 20 by 80 rule, as we have talked in the earlier class. 20% or 20% our presentation, 80% the child should toil and think and work and do the assignment. That is what the creativity. So, and we have talked very important, what is very important, what is flipped classroom. Train the children, you be the coach for that and train them. And weekly one child, every Thursday one flipped class, 5 groups whatever is there in the classroom. So each child will have every Thursday flipped classroom, and they present it. We will have the beautiful NSMHS channel, and that is going to become great viral and will be appreciated by the educational department. Earlier also we have got such appreciations. That is all, that those credits all goes to my lovely teachers. I'm very fortunate enough to have such great teachers who are toiling. And each one of you, Neelam, Renuka, the Srilata, all the teachers, Manjula, Satya, all the teachers, they have Peeswati and Prashanti. Even Prashanti also learning good. Next, who is that? Lakshmi. All the teachers are doing amazing work. I would like to see your Swati today we missed. No problem, but all the teachers are doing amazing work. So once again, you talk to the teachers and make the things done. Even Malika also very active. Yesterday Kavya's voice I heard, and Gauri also very active. So many new things. So we collectively work together, we bring very amazing things. And we have to take, we need salary. We need salary means the student need to pay. So from the student only, the source of income is only student. So we have to, when we are struggling hard, when we are working hard, it is their duty to pay, right? So hope not. It's 100% you do that, you make it, and you succeed in this endeavor. Wonderful. Have a great time. So teachers, please talk to the teachers who were attended today and get total information. Okay, my dear, we have got a 3.5 to 4 hour session. I can't tell in the small video. Okay, thank you. Stay home. God bless you.